Hello everyone, my name is Zhang, a PhD student of ITC, University of Twente. Together with Chang and Alfred Stay, I will present our work about mapping subsidence with the synergy of standard and actual file mode Radarsat 2 data. For introduction part, in November 2016, Radarsat 2 satellite switched its observation model from standard mode to actual file mode. As a consequence of this change, the spatial resolution is dramatically improved. However, some images obtained from different observation models cannot be directly used to form interferograms and map long-term surface movement. Therefore, we propose a post-processing method to identify all type point pairs, which are the in-measurement points reflected from common ground targets and captured by both SAR images in space, and determine the best deformation models of time point pairs in time to retrieve surface movement. For methods part, we firstly estimate geolocation uncertainty of PS points with every ellipsoid. Its geometrical relationship is shown in Figure A. Next, we will use Monte Carlo methods to identify type point pairs. Firstly, we move the potential type point pairs into a local coordinate system. Secondly, we establish its boundary functions. Thirdly, produce voxels that are uniformly distributed within the volume surrounded by boundary functions. According to a central limit theorem, sufficient voxels can be approximately equal to the volume of irregular objects. Fourth, calculate how many voxels within the every ellipsoid. Fifth, calculate whether these voxels also exist in the other every ellipsoid. If yes, we consider they are a type point pair. If no, we think they are not a type point pair. Lastly, when one every ellipsoid from standard mode data has positive cross volumes with multiple every ellipsoids from actual file mode data, we will use cross volumes as weights to lump multiple PS points from actual file mode data together as a single equivalent PS point. Until now, we have found the type point pairs in space. Next, we will link the deformation time series of these type point pairs. Firstly, we conduct overall model test for M0. When M0 is rejected, we test all the alternative models MG and identify the maximum test ratio. We call the model with the maximum test ratio as the most probable model. Secondly, we set up a threshold to select potential alternative models MW. Thirdly, for every MW, we test the suboptimal models MWU. Lastly, we compare the MWU and the most probable model. We select the model with the most minimum posterior variance or a lower number of parameters as the best model. For data and the test site, we used 84 standard mode data and 17 actual file mode data to test our methods. The research area includes Rotterdam, Delft, and Hangul. For results part, we detected 5 intersection types and 5 deformation models. The deformation models are listed in appendix. For example, M1 model is a combination of linear model and temperature-related model. We use 5 randomly selected PS points as examples to show their intersection types. The blue arrow ellipsoids indicate PS points from standard mode data, whereas the red arrow ellipsoid indicates PS points from the actual file mode data. The detected best deformation time series of these 5 PS points and their location in amplitude and optical image are shown in the central lower part. You can see that every PS has its own best deformation model, and with our methods, we link PS from standard mode and actual file mode in time and space successfully. At the end, we conclude, firstly, the area ellipsoid, which describes the geolocation uncertainty of in-measurement points, can be used to approximately identify the type point pairs, together with the Monte Carlo methods. Secondly, the improved MHT method performs better when determining the best deformation model. Thirdly, our method has the potential to integrate multi-platform SAR data to monitor long-term surface deformation. For more information, please check our newly published paper. Thank you.